This test consists of 25 questions that assess your knowledge of phrasal verbs. Let's get started. Martha was able to her baby among all the children in a maternity hospital. Pick out means to recognize, to choose. Vanessa. Nick in the restaurant. Bump into means to meet somebody unexpectedly. Alex doesn't like winding his alarm clock when he wakes up frightened. Go off means to make a loud sound, to explode. A lot of men used to her, but she was unapproachable. Run after means to chase, to try to make love to somebody. His memories were every time he saw Helen. Wash away means to get rid of sad feelings. Although the worker good work, he was sacked. Keep up means to continue, to succeed. After considering the possible risks, George will you get back means to resume the conversation, usually on the phone after a pause. The huge fire. In a couple of minutes. Break out means to begin suddenly. The supermarket was closed as the staff for lunch. Knock off means to stop working and go out. Nobody. On the subject. I didn't know that. Let in means to unfold a secret or something that is known by a small group of people. They didn't want their son to the truth, but it was too late. Find out means to learn, to discover. She didn't want anybody to feel sorry for her, that's why she tried to. Her tears. Keep back means not to show your emotions, or not to tell something you know. Robert was completely by the news. Knock back means to upset somebody. Bob tries to some cash every month as he is going to propose to Melissa. Put by means to save money in order to buy something. It is dangerous to visit hospitalized patients these days because you can a virus. Pick up means to get something, to lift something or somebody. The naughty child was his granny's house. Keep in means to make somebody stay at home as a punishment. Bella's husband begged her not to anything and be honest. Hold back means to keep something as a secret. Why did you? With Michael. He is too egoistic. Fall out means to stop being friends. The dark cave was full of spiders and children. Quickly. Light out means to run away because you are scared. Could you please? The check. To Mr. Johnson? Make out means to write a check, to see, hear, or understand. If you practice your language, your success will soon. Work through means to become noticeable, to cope with issues or feelings. The radio, please, it's too loud. Turn down means to switch something off, to refuse an offer or invitation. You'd better. And wait for the better moment to call Miranda. Hold off means to postpone doing something, to stop somebody who is going to attack. The burglars. The house in the middle of the night. Break into means to enter somewhere using force. Our neighbors are their second house to a family. Let out means to take money from somebody for rent. Well done for making it all the way through. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because more valuable content is on the way. See you in the next video.